Hi folks, October 13 na, di ba? 2 days na lang, kalagitnaan na tayo na October. Ang bilis ng panahon talaga. Kailan lang feeling ko, ka-start pa lang na October, talaga day by day ang bilis, no? So are we racing against time? Talaga naman, ang cost kasi natin dito, oras eh. Okay, but anyway, meron lang akong gusto i-share sa inyo na I think kailangan nyo malaman eh. Sa aming hanap buhay, direct selling at saka MLM, okay, dalawa po kasi activity na pwede nyo gawin eh. Makipag-usap kayo sa mga friends ninyo para maging preferred customers ninyo. Ibig sabihin, yun yung magiging suki nyo every now and then dahil nagustuhan nyo yung health products ninyo, babalik at babalikan kasi nga po gumanda yung pakiramdam. Ang tao po na gumanda ang pakiramdam, hindi na niya po bibitawan ang iyong produkto kasi you are now solving a basic need, feeling well, di ba? Isa po yun sa mga activity na ginagawa namin everyday. Hindi kami tumitigil sa kakabuild ng preferred customers everyday. Yung second activity ng negosyo namin is MLM or network marketing or in short, leverage business. Bakit? It's the same thing na ginagawa ng lahat ng industriya sa mundong ito. Ibig sabihin, maging bangko ka man, maging restaurant ka man, maging auto, nasa truck or kotse industry ka, nasa insurance ka, nasa real estate ka, lahat po ng industriya ngayon nasa leverage business. Ibig sabihin, nagsa-set up sila ng offices nila, branches nila all over the world, all over the provinces, all over the cities, all over the barangays, all over the district. Bakit? Kasi po, mahirap ma-reach ang customers all at the same time eh. Kailangan mo magtayo ng branches, kailangan mo magtayo ng operations. Kung gusto mong maging competitive sa business landscape ngayon, kailangan mo leverage. So sa amin ganun din. It is physically impossible for us to be traveling to the north, to the central, and to the southern of Luzon. Wala po, imposible po yun. We only have 7 days a week. We only have 30 days a month. We only have 24 hours a day. So we make use of leverage business as well. Ibig sabihin, sa mga nakakaintindi sa MLM or network marketing, we also practice leverage. Nag-evolve na po from direct selling to leverage if you want to build your network over time. Sa mga nakakaintindi ng MLM, meron tayong systems. And one of these systems, yung tinatawag nating binary system, na pwede mong i-build yung left side mo and yung right side mo. Para sa ganon, once you build it, magkakaroon ka ng override, magkakaroon ng bonuses generated by a particular system. So, meron lang akong gusto i-share sa inyo. While doing this, marami kaming nakakausap na interesado, hindi interesado, willing, pero tamad, willing pero may sungay, willing pero bad attitude, willing pero may mga kondisyon. Okay. Yung last one is ito. Meron kami nakausap na negosyante, business-minded person, and na-ignite uli yung interest niya to do networking MLM kasi he came from in this industry siguro mga years back, and may mga kaibigan pa rin siya na active na yun eh. Nag-mention siya ng mga names sa amin, company names, pero hindi ko na po babangkitin. So we've been talking to this person for some weeks na, and finally, nung nagpa-follow up kami, one particular day, sabi niya, sige, join na ako on one condition. Ano po yun? Kayo ang magbibuild ng left and right side ko. So napatigil kami, no? Question, tama ba yun? Ethical ba yun? Sustainable ba yun? Sagot namin, hindi eh. We are honest sa ating negosyo. we are honest in this industry. Kasi kung papayag kami sa condition niya, para lang makuha namin yung pay-in niya, para lang makuha namin yung pay-in income niya, tapos yung pangako namin, ipapako, ibig sabihin hindi naman mangyayari. Marami pong ganun dito sa industriya ito eh. Kaya marami nasisira eh. Kaya marami nag-fail. Kaya pag nagkaroon uli ng another opportunity, yung kanilang bad experience, yung basihan nila to make a decision. Kasi may mga tao na sumisira sa industriya, and yun yung mga taong pumapayag sa kondisyon niya. Of course, hindi kami pumayag. Okay? Sabi namin, look, if you're going to join us, we must have your commitment. Kasi teamwork to eh. Hindi po namin kukunin yung pay-in nyo, bibigay namin yung product sa inyo, tapos yung pangako namin sa inyo, kakalimutan namin. No way. We'd rather leave you alone and look for some better leaders or willing people to really do the business the right way. Yun po yun. So hindi po kami pumayag sa condition niya. Okay? Kahit na sabihin na natin wala kaming pay-in from him, kahit na sabihin na natin may ibang kukuha sa kanya at yung nag-i-sponsor sa kanya pumayag sa condition niya, good luck na lang sa kanila. But this is not sustainable for us. Kasi ang gusto namin, good leaders, committed business builders na naintindihan yung business and willing to do it the right way. Walang condition. Pag ikaw pumasok sa ganitong business, you have to commit. Yung sinasabi mong busy ako, wala akong time, is false. Ito nga po yung business na pwede mong gawin while you are employed, while you are having your traditional business. Kasi pwede mo gawin ito as a sideline, i-build mo lang siya sorry po, i-build mo lang siya day by day, week by week, month by month, consistently over the years. May resulta po eh. One day you will wake up, ang network mo sa left and right mo gumana. If you get 10 or 5 or 6 both for your left and right, hindi naman mag-work out lahat yun eh. Maybe 1 or 2 of them will really work. And ganun din ang mangyayari dun sa 1 and 2 na nag-join sa'yo. Meron silang nakuhang alas for the left, meron silang nakuhang alas for the right. So this concept, ang investment po kasi dito time eh. This is not an overnight success kahit ano naman itong klaseng hanap buhay. Wala namang overnight success as long as you nurture it, you take care of it, nandudun ka lagi sa focus mo, may resulta po. May passive income na papasok kahit papano that will help you when you probably decide to leave your job, or natanggal ka sa trabaho, or napilitan ka isara yung traditional business mo dahil nababankrupt ka, or when you grow old like me, meron kang plan B. Okay? Don't do this when you're already a senior. Huwag nyo po ako tularin. This is what I did, no? So I'm buying time in my case. Gawin nyo to habang bata pa kayo, habang employed pa kayo, habang may traditional business pa kayo. This is one option that you can do to build your sources of income, not lang from one place but multiple sources of income po. Kaya po maraming mayayaman sa atin because they know how to, you know, how to achieve multiple sources of income. Income dito, income dito, income dito, income dito. Ganun po sila eh. Okay? So ganun po ginagawa din namin. Okay? So we're trying to build multiple sources of income, and this is one of them. Because napakaganda ng product. FDA approved product. 7 to 8 flagship products which are FDA approved, manufactured by a doctor since 2007 sa Subic, Zambales, and she's been manufacturing food supplement, high grade food supplement for different private brands and companies before. So maaring yung binibili natin sa mga pharmacies, maaring siya, isa po siya sa mga isang gumagawa. But by October 2024, she decided to have her own label kasi siya po ang chief formulator, and nag-launch po ang kanilang marketing arm, okay, noong 2025, and doon ko sila nakilala. So nakita ko kagad FDA approved products, FDA, LTO, ISO, HACCP, ano pa, halal certified manufacturing plant, managed by a gerontologist na nag-aral ng aging and ano yung mga health challenges na sumasabay as you age, as a gerontologist, cell biologist, nag-aral about cellular nutrition, okay, chief formulator, and you know, supported by a team of doctors, no? Nandiyan dyan si Dr. Arnel Baira. Latest na dumating is si Dr. CJ Songkwan. I-share ko sa inyo yung kanilang talks. They talk every I would say they talk every Wednesday or Thursday of the week. Every week po yan. They discuss about the benefits of our products, ano yung kailangan natin malaman, okay? And the rest of the week or the rest of the days during the week, trainings po yan as far as product and, you know, marketing. Ano pa? Okay? Nandiyan dyan ang social media. Nandiyan dyan po lahat ang partida, ang convenience, okay, to grow your business. Gone are those days, yung old traditional way of doing business pag sa direct selling, no? Hindi na po. Nag-evolve na po. Nagsumabay na po sa technology. Alright? Nandiyan dyan po ang technology that you can use and you can create content, okay? Para sa ganon, this will help you market your business and at the same time grow your business. So going back to my main topic, you do this honestly. Pag may nag-join sa inyo, may pera sila and willing sila mag-join, they have to help in growing their business. Hindi po yung sasabihin, ito po yung laging nangyayari, sige, join ako, ito yung pera, akin na yung product, kayo na bahala mag-grow. This is not the way we operate. Sa iba, pwede because they're after your money. Us, we're not after your money. We are after sustainable growth. Okay, I hope I got the message across. If you decide to join my team, our team, get in touch lang po. Nandiyan dyan yung phone number, nandiyan dyan yung email, nandiyan dyan yung social media. Get in touch as early as possible and I can share with you some links to introduce to you ano yung products meron natin, ano yung background ng company, ano yung background ng Nanosci, ano yung background ng Nanocell as the marketing arm, ano yung background ng Nanosci as the manufacturing arm, ano yung background namin, ano yung kultura, and you put all things together, okay? This is one of the best things that you cannot afford to miss if you have an open mind about building your business aside from your traditional business or employment. Remember, galing po ako sa employment for 40 years, okay, of my life. Ininvest ko sa corporate world. I made people rich because of my skill, okay? I was not being paid for more than my description, more than my title as a manager or country manager. They don't pay me more than that. Basta ikaw ang country manager, ikaw ang department manager, we pay you to do to perform that particular function, and no more no less. Overtime pay, wala po yan. Monday to Sunday I work, wala pong overtime. So that is the life of a, you know, executive sa manufacturing overseas. Traditional business, I also did that after my corporate work. Para sa akin, pag nagkaroon ako ng maliit na business, kay laundry shop siya, kay mini grocery siya, kay sari-sari store siya, I realized It's just a continuation of my life as an employee. Bakit? Yung shop ko kailangan kong bantayan. I need to open early morning, parang empleyado din. Before sunrise, dapat nasa shop na ako nagbubukas. And I have to close my shop after sundown. Ganun din sa employment. Uuwi ako ng bahay, wala nang araw. Ganun din yun. Konsuelo ko lang doon, wala akong boss. But the point is, if I don't work, if I don't open my shop, wala akong income. In this kind of business, once you grow it, while you're doing something else, meron pong income na pupasok because nag-iipon ka ng suki, nagbibuild ka ng leaders after you, and nagkakaroon ka ng commission while you're doing your own thing until you decide to stop what you're doing. Ganun po yan. I'll explain further if you plan to reach out, if you plan to, join this kind of hanap buhay. Okay po, and be safe everyone. Ang dami pong earthquake ngayon all over the country, maging south of the Philippines, maging north of the Philippines. Be safe, pray. Okay, signs of the times po ito. Just pray. Ang earthquake po nakakamatay because of the falling debris, di ba? Nung araw may earthquake naman eh, kaso less casualty kasi nga wala namang buildings, wala namang tsunamis and all. So again, be safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, pray, and thank the Lord every day for being safe and healthy. Yun lang po, and see you again in the next session.